How are you today? Today, for measuring length. Estimation of length in the meter and centimeter. Estimating length means that we guess and approximate length of object according to our information about it. First, meter. The meter is unit of length used to measure longer length. So, the centimeter measure small length and meter long length. Example, clothes, house, room. Example 1. The hair clip is about 7 centimeters long. Circle the best estimate of the length of the year. This one, clip here, 7 centimeters. So I need this one. From here, 7 centimeters. But think with me, this one. Maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe. The total of the year, 22 centimeters, 17, 10. Yes. Maybe 10 because the small length. 7, maybe 3, 10. Example 2. The rope, it is about 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters. The clip paper, how many centimeters? Maybe half the rope. So it's 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters. Another example. One meter equal 100 centimeters. The 2 meter, yes, 200 centimeters. 3 meters, 300 centimeters. 5 centimeters, yes, 500. 5 meters, 500 centimeters. Exactly. 2 meters, no, 2 meters. 2 meter equal 200 centimeters. 3 meter, how many centimeters? Yes, 300 centimeters. Wow, 500 centimeters. Convert between centimeter to meter. 1 meter equal 100 centimeters. I have here centimeters. 500 centimeters, yes, 5 meters only. 7 meters equal 700 centimeters. 9 meters, yes, 900 centimeters. Complete the question. Exercise. Circle the better estimate. The fork, maybe 15 centimeters long or 50 centimeters long. No, 50 is more. Fork, small length. So, 15 centimeters long. The chair, tall, 1 meter or 10 meters. 10 meters the tall, more. So, 1 meter tall. Next picture, 3 centimeters long or 3 meters. Yes, 3 meters because the long is 1. First, last one, the salt. Small length, 10 meter or 10 centimeters. Yes, 10 centimeters because the small one. Another example. Choose the best answer. The first, well, I need the tool. Maybe 30 centimeters or 5 centimeters, 20 meters. Yes, 20 meters because it's a more tall, highest. The highest is more. Right. Next one, screw. All time screw the small to 20 centimeters or 1 meter, 3 centimeters. Yes, 3 centimeters. The building, all time, the tall building, highest, more highest. So 300 centimeter. No, 300 centimeter is 3 meters only. Okay, 3 meters. 30 meters. 30 meters. Flash memory. Flash memory all the time. Small. Flash memory. 6 centimeters, 30 centimeters, 20 centimeters. No, it's a small, short. Yes, this one. The horse. The top of the horse. 20 centimeters. No. 2 meters. Yes. The key. The key. When I measure the key, maybe 5 centimeters only. But the question, I need to measure by meter or centimeter. The tree is very more tall, more highest. So measure by meter. Take meter or centimeter. I can catch with my hand. So centimeter. Next. Building. More highest. So meter. Fly. Very small. Very small. So centimeter. Mandarin. Yes, I can catch also. Centimeter. Evaluation. Stop video. Answer. Then correct with me. Picture number 1. Measure by centimeter or meter. Centimeter or meter? Yes, centimeter, because I can catch. I can catch centimeters. Notebook also. Notebook. I can catch centimeter. Board. More highest, more tall. So meter. Last homework. Choose the correct answer. Study well first, then answer the question. Goodbye, good luck.